Let's explore and understand different types of electrical circuits. A closed circuit with a continuous conductive path for uninterrupted current flow between positive and negative terminals. A circuit where the path has been interrupted or opened at some point so that current will not flow. A series circuit where components are connected sequentially, ensuring current flows through each in turn, with voltage divided according to resistance. A parallel circuit with multiple conductive paths, where components are connected across separate branches, allowing independent current flow through each. A short circuit occurs when a low resistance path bypasses the circuit, causing excessive current. Flow may lead to overheating or damage. In an AC circuit, the current changes direction back and forth regularly. It is the type of electricity used in homes and industries. A DC circuit is an electrical circuit that uses a constant voltage or current source and resistors to allow electric current to flow in one direction, used in batteries and electronic devices.